Good day, class. How are you all doing today?
We good, miss?
Okay, that's great to know. So today in mathematics class, Miss will be sharing a very interesting concept with you all. So let us look at this picture here. Are you seeing the picture on the screen?
Yes, miss.
Right. So Farmer John has a square garden plot and wants to keep his animals from the lettuce patch next door. How do you think Farmer John can keep these animals off the lettuce patch next door?
Miss, well, miss, you could stand up and watch them whole day. Miss, and
Now
well,
let's put on our thinking caps. Think a bit harder.
um, miss, you could build a fence around the garden, you know.
Right, excellent, Brandon. Yes, he can build a fence. And what do you think will be the shape of this fence?
Miss, well, you say is a square garden, so
Yes,
the
I did
fence
say
had to
that.
be square.
Right, excellent. So the shape of the fence will be a square.
Square.
So now that we have established the shape of this, how will we figure out how much materials we would need to buy to make this fence around the garden?
Miss, you have to measure it.
What will we be measuring?
Miss, the shape of the garden.
Right, and we already established going to be a square. So I have a picture of this to show on the slide. So can you look at the picture here and tell me how many sides are you seeing and tell me more about these sides?
Miss, it have 4 sides. Miss, well, a square have 4 equal sides. So all the sides are the same.
Right, excellent. So we have a square, there's 4 sides and we established there's 4 equal sides. So I have measured each of the side and we are seeing on the slide here that each side is measured to be 25 meters long. So if each side is 25 meters long, how do we calculate the amount of materials needed?
Miss, well, we measure the 4 sides. Oh, okay. Miss, well, if one side is 25 meters and we measure on the 4 side, it'll be 25 meters and 25 meters and 25 meters and 25 meters to get the right around the garden.
Right, excellent. So it'll be 25 meters plus 25 meters plus 25 meters plus 25 meters. So then based on what you just told me there, what will be the total amount of materials needed?
Miss, 25 by 25 by 25 by 25. Oh, 25 meters. Miss, it could be 100 no. Miss,
Think
miss
about this
100
quickly.
meters.
Yes,
Miss
very good.
100 meters.
Yeah, so we 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 would give you 100 meters. So instead of saying 25 meters plus 25 meters plus 25 meters plus 25 meters, and instead of adding all of these sides together, if you had a square, say at a bigger amount, say for example, 235 meters, would you go and add all these sides?
Miss, well, we could do it. It would take long, but we could do it.
Yeah, so what's an easier way?
Um, hmm. Miss, well, if we can add it, Miss, you can't take it away either. So we could only multiply or divide. Divide will make it smaller. Miss, we could multiply 25 by 25 by 25 by 25, you know.
No. Why would you say that? So did you have 25 meters by 25 meters by 25 meters by 25 meters? How many
No,
sides?
miss.
And look at it, how many
Miss,
sides we have on the measurement of each of the sides. So think back again. Did you measure each side 25 times and another 25 times?
No, miss. Miss. We could do 25 is one side. Four. Miss 25 by 4 side.
Right, excellent. 25 meters by
Yes.
4 to get the 100 meters, which is the amount
Miss,
of
and the
room.
answer will be the same.
Yes, the answer will be the same. So you will have 25 meters by 4 to give you 100 meters. And then we would have each of the side multiplied by 4 to give you 100
Right.
meters.
Oh. Miss, so even if we don't know the measurement on the side, we could just say side by 4 for the square.
Yes, exactly. Side by 4 for the square.
Oh,
So
okay.
let me ask you all if you ever came across this specific concept. So what it is you think that we just found here?
Miss, we find the distance right and wrong.
Right, very good. And what do you think is the concept for the distance around? So Brandon, I'm very sorry about that technical difficulty I had. As you know, I have internet challenges at home. So let me just repeat the question as I just asked you there, right? What did we just find from the beginning to the end of reaching the specific level in this lesson?
We find the distance are wrong.
Yes, we are getting closer. We find the distance around the shape, but there's a specific concept that I wanted to know if you would have known before from your previous classes, because I'm sure you did this concept before. But you were so accustomed to teachers giving you the concept and teaching you everything by rote learning, so you would not have been able to think. So as you've seen, I gave you a problem, and we reached so far into the lesson for you to actually derive the concept on your own.
Miss, well, Miss measuring?
No, it's not measuring. So I'll tell you what's it. It's called the perimeter. So let's look at the slide here. The total distance around of any shape is called the perimeter.
Perimeter.
Yes. Does it sound familiar to you now?
Yes, miss.
Very good. So you did an excellent job. So now I have some shapes here. So we are going to go in depth of these shapes here. I have 3 of these shapes, and you're going to tell me what is the perimeter of each of these shapes, right? I'm giving you a 10 minutes to work out this. Would that be okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so I'm counting 10 minutes from now, okay?
All right,
And
miss.
we'll join back here in class. Good luck.
Okay. Miss, so we adding it, yeah, we have to come back in the Zoom after.
No, you just stay on there. I'm just
okay,
not
miss.
speaking, so I'm giving you the 10 minutes to problem solve on your own, right?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so your 10 minutes start off now.